Hey everybody, Kaiden here, and today I'm at Freed's Bakery in Las Vegas, Nevada. And it's a really cool bakery, and if you've ever seen the show Vegas Cakes, it's really cool because back in their bakery, they make all these really cool cakes, and if you want a special request for like your birthday or like a special event, they'll make it for you. I'm gonna grab a few items and tell you what they taste like, so let's go ahead and head inside. Oh gosh guys, it smells so good in here. Just look at all these pastries, guys. Chocolate fudge finger pit. That looks pretty good. Well, that looks really cool. I really like that flower on there. Wow, just look at that red velvet cake. Carrot cupcakes. truffle cake pops. Have other holiday stuff out here. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this. It's a custom gingerbread house. Alright everybody, I'm gonna order a few pastries and I'll show you what it tastes like. Alright, now I picked out my variety of pastries. And so let's just go ahead and try some. So, first box. I got some cookies right here. These are really good looking cookies. I'll start off with one of these cherry cookies. And the red right here is supposed to resemble the cherry frosting. And I believe the cookie is red inside. So let's see. Take a bite. This is a really, really soft cookie, guys. Wow. This is so good because you get the outside filling of the chocolate, and this inside is like really, really soft cake. But it's a cookie, and that's what even makes it really cool. This tastes really good, guys, and you can tell that they put lots of fluffiness into this. And this one right here tastes pretty good, so let's go ahead and try some more. So we have our cherry cookie. All right, let's try, how about we say the lemon cookie. Again, it's just like the cherry cookie. See, it's probably gonna be yellow inside. Man, that really tastes like lemon. But you know how you taste something like a artificially flavored lemon? Like say the Pez candy, you have the lemon flavor. You can tell that it's artificial. But this one, even though it's artificial, you can still taste that it's artificial, but it kind of has that taste at the end that really tastes like an actual lemon. And again, it's really fluffy, just like the cherry one, which is really good. And that's really good. Man, I'm having a dream. This is really, really good. And still got a lot of cookies left. Let's see what we have here. These two, I believe, right here. This one was like a mint chocolate chip wafer pie, I believe is what it's called. So let's take a bite. Now the cream, that really tastes like mint. Afterwards, it has that like really nice mint taste, like you're chewing gum, and then like you drink water after that, makes it taste really cold. Basically, you put it into this cookie. It's really good, and I really like how they added the chocolate pieces and the chocolate syrup on top. It just adds that little hint of chocolate to it, which is really, really good. Now let's go ahead and try another cookie. See, oh yeah, these ones right here is kind of making a mess, but that's what these are all about. These are sea salt and caramel cookies. I believe there's one layer of caramel and one layer of chocolate, and then they sprinkle with sea salt. So let's go ahead and try it out. It's our sea caramel is already coming out. All right, now these two flavors, caramel and sea salt, they're like my favorite flavor, one of my favorite flavors of all time. And then they somehow just like captured all of that flavor and put it into this tiny cookie. And again, this is really fluffy, just like all these other three right here. This one just tastes really, really good, guys. That's what it looks like. All right, let's go on to another cookie. Now this right here is really good. You got so like the outside is kind of like a crunchy layer, and the inside is just so fluffy. And then you have the sprinkles, which give it like a extra little crunch, and it's also fun looking too. So this one is like really, really good. You might just think, oh man, it's so basic. It's just gonna take like a normal store-bought. No, this tastes way better than you expected. It's not really basic. It's like really, really good, guys. Guys, check out this cookie. This one is chocolate dipped. Looks so good. And that's not all, guys. It is raspberry filled. That's right, raspberry filled. So let's try this out and see how it tastes. Guys, this is really good. So if I can have you imagine this, basically say you took those 2 vanilla wafers and you put raspberry jam in the middle and you just smooshed it together. It tastes so good. And if you think, oh wow, they didn't put enough raspberry in there, well, guess what? This raspberry flavor, they balanced it out so much, because you have your really fluffy wafers and then you have your raspberry. The raspberry will be pretty strong if I ate it from a spoonful. So that's why they put it in here, so it kind of just balances it out and everybody's at peace. And this was really good, and I'm starting to get full on cookies. So let's move on to these cupcakes right here. So we have really nice cupcakes here. I can get that open. Voila! Here are cupcakes we got. This one is a cherry chocolate dipped cupcake. This one's just a regular vanilla with a little cute penguin ring on there. And this one right here is a what's it called? Chocolate chip and mint. Guys, this looks really good. And one thing I should say, if you're wanting to know my favorite ice cream flavor, it's mint chocolate chip, and this just looks like the mint chocolate chip ice cream, but you like put a blob on it on a cupcake. So let's try this out, and you could actually tell it's like really fluffy. Let's take a bite. Oh, this is really good. This right here basically tastes like mint chocolate chip ice cream, but you have it in like whipped cream form. And then you have like the really fluffiness of the chocolate cupcake. And it tastes really good. Like just a pillow. Just imagine like eating all of this forever. Man, this is really good. I really like this cupcake. So let's move on to another cupcake. Save this for later. Okay, everybody, let's move on to this cherry cupcake. Here we go. This frosting is cherry flavored. Man, it looks so good. Okay, let's try it out. Wow, oh my goodness. This is really good. Whew, this cream is so smooth. And it doesn't taste like artificial cherries. It just tastes like plain out just fresh cherries. And then again, the chocolate is also used in this chocolate, and it's the same like fluffiness texture, and I really like the cream on top, and it actually has tiny cherry bits in here, and this one is really smooth. This one, I gotta say, is more a little bit thick, but this one's way, way smooth. I really like this one. I'll save this one also for later. And now for the Festive Holiday one, we have a little penguin on here, little ring. And then if you look at the back, dun dun dun, there's tons of sprinkles on it. Man, now, say you're at the store, and then say it's your birthday for your class, and you want to bring a treat, and then you just get typical vanilla flavored cupcakes. This is not your typical vanilla flavored cupcake. This is way, way far better than a store-bought cupcake because it's really fluffy. And you can really taste that's like actual like vanilla flavored. And the cream on top just makes it taste way, way better with it because you get that fluffiness and you get that smoothness. And the sprinkles are there just for fun. You have like a little color flavor in your mouth. Man, this tastes really good, and don't underestimate this cupcake. This is way better than your usual typical store-bought cupcake. So I'm a little bit full on cupcakes now. Let's move to an actual cake. Okay, I got this delicious chocolate cake. This is going to taste really good. I already know it. All right, let's open it up. Wow, just look at all that. That looks so good. And look at the sprinkle side right here. I'm blown away by this. So let's go ahead and try it. Ooh, this foil. Oh, that looks so good. Okay. Now, let's taste it. Oh, I can't explain this in a better way. It's just like, if you're a chocolate lover, you'll really, really love this. Because you got your little chocolate piece right here, and then you have all these chocolate sprinkles, and then you have like a chocolate cream, and then you have your chocolate cake. That tastes really good, and this actual like cake is like really, really, really fluffy. Sorry, I have to say this. It's more fluffier than the cupcakes. And the cream, though, I'm just in love with the cream. Like, for me, I don't really like cupcake cream. I don't really like frosting on my cake, but this frosting is really, really good. I'd totally eat this with a cake. And man, Freeze Bakery, you've totally outdone yourself. This is so, so good. I'd totally come back here again. And all of their pastries are like baked freshly, and everybody's really nice. And yeah, this will conclude it for today's video at Freeze Bakery. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to give that a big juicy thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to me, and share this video with your friends, especially if you're coming down to Vegas. I really suggest you guys come here, and I'll leave a link down in the description to tell you its address. And one thing that you should do is ring that bell, because you never want to miss a video from me. And most importantly, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.